المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد طب القلوب ودوائها ونور الأبصار وضيائها وعافية الأبدان وشفائها، وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد كلما ذكرك الذاكرون وغفل عن ذكرك الغافلون. We are congregated here today to discuss the Shara'it al-Munadara, the conditions for the debate. This is the pre-debate meeting. And before continuing, firstly, the rules with regard to this pre-debate meeting is that anyone from the brothers who are congregated here to listen in this room who raises their voice or intervenes will be removed from the room. We have security present. The brother Fiyad is a person who works as security here, and there are other security guards present. Anyone who speaks out from any side will be removed from the room. Anyone who raises their voice and does any slogans will be removed from the room. Likewise, the speakers, myself, and the interlocutor are not allowed to interject and cut each other. They must wait until the person has finished his statement before continuing. Likewise, any other rude behavior or interjection, be any swear words or any abuse or anything of this nature, the entire debate will be cancelled. If there's any abuse even towards any one of the ulama of either group, a word of abuse is not allowed. Likewise, any swear words or anything of that nature. This debate, inshallah, shall be objective and professional. So now that we have made that clear, my first request for Maulana Uthman is firstly that we agree on three things, one of three things, meaning we agree on all three. Firstly, I want you to introduce yourself because you made the challenge. You are the mudda'i, and once you have introduced yourself, to tell me who you represent from the ulama of Deoband in the UK, Darul Uloom Bari, or any other significant Deobandi institute in the UK. Secondly, I want you to confirm or deny whether you are debating me with the rules and regulations of the Nizami syllabus book, which is Al-Munadarat al-Rashidiyya, which is this book which we all study. This is taught in Darul Uloom Deoband and it is taught in other Darul Ulooms. And thirdly, we will go on to your da'wah, your claim. And that is when we will discuss everything else. So please proceed with those.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala nabiyyil ummiyil kareem wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. First and foremost, before we proceed with anything you asked for, can we fix a time for these conditions to finish?
If you want. How long do you want?
So for this, you suggest something and I will give you my opinion on it. If you want mine,
I can go on all night.
No, I can go on all night as well.
Because you requested a time, I want you to propose your time.
Okay. So for this, because you asked me, I will seek mashwara.
There is no mashwara, because the very first condition is no one else is allowed to interject.
So if you want me to give you the time, first and foremost, I demand that in terms of speaking, me and you should have equal time to speak.
Of course, there's no problem.
Okay. Just like in a debate, there is equal time to speak. In conditions of the debate, there should also be equal time to speak.
That's fine.
Okay. Now, second thing I request is that the opening speech should be mine. Okay? You can take the closing.
Brother, you know, we've not come for speeches, we've come for Shara'it al-Munazara, conditions of the debate.
In Shara'it, we're not going to do sign language, we're going to speak.
Before we proceed to that, can you introduce yourself? Because I don't even
Before
know.
No. Asra, listen.
Again, listen. I'll ask you a simple question, Maulana. I'm saying to you, you are the mudda'i, yes?
Yes.
Are you mu'allil or mani'?
First and foremost, no, please, listen. I asked for a time limit to be fixed. You've as soon
Have
as
you given one?
I'll give you one now.
Can you give it?
Okay. This should not go past 2 hours. Okay? So 8:15 p.m. is the cutoff point. Yeah, number one. Number two, these 2 hours, in these 2 hours, okay, I should be speaking for 1 hour, you should be speaking for 1 hour. Not 1 hour, but it should be split in a way that in the end, total, I should have 1 hour speaking time. You should have 1 hour speaking time. When I said speech, yeah, obviously I'm not going to do sign language with you. We're going to speak, yeah, and this is how we communicate. So our communication is via speaking. Before I introduce myself, and then you introduce yourself, I want to make one thing very clear.
Firstly, you know,
okay, we'll start from now.
You know, with the introductions, listen. Have you studied Al-Munadharatul Rashidiyya? Yes or no?
Alhamdulillah, I've studied.
Okay. Are you mu'allil? Are you mu'allil or not?
Sarab, listen. Our speaking time must be...
Listen, brother.
No, my question. You're not letting me speak. If I said I want to speak first, and
my questions are very simple, though. Why I'm asking this is because when someone makes a claim and challenges another person to a debate, when they challenge another person in a debate, in Munazara Rashidiyya, if you remember your classes, they mention that the one who makes the claim, he challenges someone who is an equal to him. Yes? That would mean familiarity on the side of the challenger. So you are obviously familiar with who I am.
Okay.
Yes?
No. Let me just clarify one thing.
No, you're not.
Asrab, let's clarify one thing.
Are you familiar with
Can we clarify one thing, please? Yeah? And for this, I'd like my first time to start. And
well, I haven't agreed on that yet.
Can you please agree? See, now, you're jumping from topic to topic.
Again, I have 3 requests.
These requests can only be fulfilled when our timing is fulfilled.
Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to speak. Start now. How many minutes?
No.
How many minutes?
I'm going to propose something, and then you agree. And if you disagree, then you tell me, and then we'll come to some sort of agreement.
Listen.
You can't dictate. No. 1 minute, please.
Who's the challenger here?
Me.
You're the challenger. You've challenged me.
You've not even asked for the conditions of the debate yet. Okay?
Listen, you've challenged me to a debate. Yes.
Yes.
So I'm saying to you, and I'm hosting you here in Birmingham. Yes. Me as your host, I'm saying to you, introduce yourself for 1 minute. You've challenged me to a debate. I want you to introduce yourself.
Before I introduce myself, because this is part of
At the moment, you're majhool for me. You're unknown.
We discussed on the phone, and that is
all I know is your name is Usman, and you are from which town? We're Bradford. And we've talked on the phone regarding debates.
Carry on.
So
No. I'm sorry, but you asked me, have you studied up to Dawratul Hadith? I said, yeah. You asked me where I've studied.
Who do you represent?
Can we fix the time, please? And then we'll move on to
how much time do you want to speak?
I have just mentioned 2 hours between us should be the time. Because listen.
So how do you want to speak? You want to speak for now and I allow you to speak?
For 10 minutes.
10 minutes,
yeah.
No.
Why not?
Because we're not here for speeches, we're here for conditions.
Okay. So how can conditions be fulfilled without speaking?
Because when you converse with one another, you get to a middle ground. We're conversing. I'm conversing with you.
Okay.
So I'm asking you as a brother, can you introduce yourself?
Before I introduce myself, okay, I'd like us to agree on a timing. First speech, second, third.
Speech.
First, whatever you want to call it, first slot. Okay, you want me to rephrase it? I'll rephrase it. First slot. Are you happy with that?
I'll give you 2 minutes to speak, and I'll speak for 2 minutes.
I want more than that.
You want more?
Yes.
I'm not going to give you more.
Okay. The public need to know more things, okay, than what you ask.
I'm not addressing the public. I'm addressing you. We can address the public.
This is a public debate.
Again, in Al-Munadharatul Rashidiyya,
okay,
they don't mention the public. They mention the mani' and the mustadil. They mention the mu'allil and the sa'il. This is how I am going to debate you.
Okay. So
before we proceed, do you agree to debate me with the rules and regulations of Al-Munadharatul Rashidiyya? Yes or no?
I agree to debate you on things that we agree on between us, the shara'it, and I haven't even given you the shara'it yet.
Listen,
when I give you,
please. Do you agree to debate me with the rules and regulations of Al-Munadharatul Rashidiyya? Yes or no? If you say no, you can leave. If you say yes, we can proceed. Simple.
So you can't debate outside of this?
No, I cannot. I only stick with Muslims. I only debate with Al-Munadharatul.
Why is this?
Because this is the book that is taught for the rules and regulations of people of Darul Uloom.
So
you, my brother, cannot debate out of this. You are not capable of doing that.
Okay. So when Ibrahim alayhi salam,
I don't know again.
When Ibrahim alayhi salam debated,
okay, a kafir.
Yeah.
He debated a kafir.
Non-issue.
Not
but
a
he
Muslim.
still debated.
Not a Muslim. He never debated a Muslim.
Imam Hanifa rahmatullah, when he debated,
Yes.
he debated on this.
He used these principles.
Okay.
Do you know this?
Yeah. Do you know that he
You
used
do know that.
You know that so you can prove every single debate of Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah.
He used these principles.
Okay.
Like Nahu, like Imam Abu Hanifa when he spoke with
So you've got proof on every single one.
Again, brother, if you haven't studied these things, just admit so. Even Balagha, in Nahu, in all these sciences, we all, if
Okay,
you agree to debate with using Al-Munadhara.
For argument's sake, we'll move on. No problem.
Do you agree?
Yes, we'll go
You
on
do?
to that.
So, okay.
Bismillah. So can you give me a time, please? 2
Again.
minutes, I'll take from your time.
If you go off the rules of Al-Munadhara al-Rashidiyya, the entire debate will be dismissed.
I'm sorry, but the rules will be according to what we decide on.
You just said you'll agree.
So
Sharaitul Munadhara.
when you discussed with Abdul Rahman Hassan,
Yes.
okay,
غير مقلد.
so you don't consider him Muslim?
غير مقلد. He's a Muslim. What is غير مقلد? What is غير مقلد?
So you say
What is غير مقلد?
when you said
What is غير
when you
مقلد?
said
Can you tell me what غير
I'm sorry,
مقلد is?
I'm sorry, but when you said Muslims, yeah, you
Yes.
stick with this.
Are you Hanafi Deobandi?
I'm sorry, but
Hanafi
this does
Deobandi.
not make sense.
It doesn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense if you haven't studied this.
Okay, if you want to get technical, okay, let me get technical with you. Okay? No, I'm sorry.
Do you have you,
First and
you
foremost-
agree to debate with
first and
Al-Munadhara
foremost-
al-Rashidiyya?
first
Yes
and
or no?
foremost.
Technical, you're an alim of deen, you're a graduate of Darul Uloom, you have to be technical, brother. You cannot be like the common people. You're not in Hyde Park now. You're with me.
Perfect.
You'll have to stick to the rules of Al-Munadhara al-Rashidiyya, and if you disagree, you can leave. If you agree, we can continue.
Let me raise here 11:15.
Again,
Bismillahir Rahmanir
brother, you
Rahim.
cannot.
No.
Are you agreeing or not? Are you agreeing or not?
First and foremost,
Can you agree?
you just called me Maulana.
Can you agree?
No. Please.
So do you consider me a Maulana or not? Do you consider me a Maulana or not?
Have I called you Maulana?
You don't. Yes or no?
I don't.
Oh,
I
then
don't
why have you
call
challenged me?
Maulana.
Then why have you challenged me?
Why have I challenged you?
Yes.
Because you have a passion for tackling blasphemy.
Again, you've challenged a non-Maulana to a debate. As a Maulana, you've challenged a non-Maulana.
You're seen as a
That's
Maulana in
another
your
rule.
circle.
Again, brother, that's another rule of Munadhara
In your
al-Rashidiyya.
circle, you are referred to
I think
as a Maulana.
if you don't agree,
Bismillahir Rahmanir
again, if
Rahim.
you don't agree with this, I think the brother can be removed.
No, it seems
Because
like
I think you will be. Can you remove
Okay,
it?
Bismillahir
Security.
Rahmanir Rahim. According to
Can you-
Ahmad Rida Khan,
Can you
anybody who
switch
calls
off the-
Deobandi a Maulana has become a kafir. So Asrar Rashid has called me
Switch it on
Maulana.
off.
Bismillahir Rahmanir
Can
Rahim.
everyone be removed from the room? You're dismissed, brother. You can't debate.
Cannot the person came, leave the thing, you